In this video, we will see how to sort data. So in order to sort data, you go to the data tab, and there under sort and filter section, you'll find the options to sort both in ascending and descending order. Select which column you want to sort on. I'll select name and I'll say sort in the ascending manner. So now it has sorted in the ascending manner. So before you sort, you need to ensure that there are no blank rows in between. So let's say I put a blank row here. Now if I sort on employee names, it will sort only the first 4 rows because there's a blank row below. So I'll do Ctrl Z. So just ensure that there are no blank rows. Now similarly, you can sort in the descending manner also. Just click on employee name and click on this option Z to A. So it will sort in the descending manner. You can sort both text as well numbers. So I can sort in salary also. This is in the descending order.
Here we will look at multi-level sort. It means first you sort on one column and then within that you sort on another column. So for example, I'll first sort on department. Once that is done, within department I'll sort on names. So to do that, I'll go to sort. It instantly selects all the relevant data. I'll say I want to sort on department. I'll sort on cell values. Next I will add another level. So once it's sorted on department, within that sort on name, sort on cell values. Sort order is ascending for both the cases. I'll say OK. So you see it has first sorted on department. See F, H, I, M, finance, HR, IT, marketing. Within finance, then it has sorted the employee names A and G, Arun and George. Under IT, you see P, F, I. Under marketing, you see Alice, Ethan, Julia. So first it has sorted on department and then it has sorted on name. So this is how you do a multi-level sort in Excel.
Here's a common mistake that beginners do. If you want to sort on name, we'll select the data in the column and then we'll try to sort. Excel gives you a warning. When you choose the continue with the current selection, it will sort only the data in the column and it will leave the rest of the data as it is. This will cause your data to be jumbled. So be sure to expand the selection and then sort. Then it sorts the name, but it also adjusts the rest of the data accordingly. So the 65,000 salary belongs to Alice. Do Ctrl Z. If I choose this and if I say sort, and if I do not expand the selection and if I choose the second option, continue with the current selection, it will leave rest of the data as is and it will only sort the data in the name column. Let's say sort. So you see it sorted only the data in this thing and left everything else as is, which is wrong. That is not what we want actually. I'll do Ctrl Z. To make sorting easier, you can also convert this range of data into a table.
To convert a range of data into table, you just go to insert and click on this table, or you can do Ctrl T. So this is the range that I want to convert into a table. I'll say OK. So it converts into a table. A table makes it a lot easier to filter and sort. You can easily sort. You don't have to worry about expanding the selection. So it's much safer to sort when the data is in the form of a table.
You can check out the video on how to use tables. So in the link below.
Next, we'll take a look at common mistakes that you may encounter while sorting data. I've already covered a couple of them in this video. So first thing to remember is that when you select only one column and sort, you need to expand the selection, else your sorted data is going to be jumbled. We've already covered this in this video. Next is, if you have a blank row in between, sorting is not going to sort the complete set of data properly. It will only sort the first half before the blank row. So you need to clear any blank row in the data. If you have filtered your data, let's say on particular value such as marketing, then if you sort, it's only going to sort the rows for the marketing department. It won't sort the rows that are hidden by the filters. So make sure you clear the filters before you sort. You must also ensure there are no merged cells in the data because Excel cannot sort merged cells properly. So the results you get after sorting may not be predictable. You must also ensure your data is clean. To make sure the numbers are not stored as text. There are no leading spaces anywhere. Make sure the dates are not mixed with text. Again, this will give you unexpected results. So 100 may come before 20 if the 100 is stored as text. So always clean data first before sorting. You can go through our other video on how to work with text and how to clean text using functions like trim. There are many formulas which are dependent on the sort order. So sorting can make your formulas to give unexpected results. If your formula is dependent on position, let's say it's dependent on the value from the previous row, then the formulas will still work, but the results can become wrong. Similarly, sorting can break links across sheets. It can break references when working with linked sheets. So be sure to check your formulas. So these are some mistakes that you may encounter while sorting. So it's good to be aware that such mistakes can happen. That's all in this video. Subscribe for more such Excel tutorials.